To remix the photos of Google Photos, this is the video for you, so simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to use the remix feature of Google Photos. Now this is the new AI tool that creates remix memories, highlights video, and also helps you to style the photos and video. Now the first thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have a device with you, and after that you just need to open Google Photos on a device. So after opening the Google Photos, if you see the option of memories, so simply click on it. But if you have already memories created like this, you just need to tap on it, and from here you'll see, so to remix the photo you just need to click on the option of create at the very bottom, and here you'll see the option of collage, highlight video, cinematic photo, and animation, and also various other things. So you just need to select the template from here. So let's say if I want to select this template, you just need to tap or select the photo which you want to add. So let's say if I want to add this photo and I want to add this photo, and I'll click on the option of save at the very bottom, and from here you just need to go to the section, and after doing all of it, you'll be able to create a new template, or you'll be able to remix the photos on the Google Photos like this. So that's it. That's how you can remix the photos on Google Photos. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.